All right, let's talk some weather now, and we are cooling down just in time for the weekend. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah, kicking off the weekend with overcast skies downtown, as you can see, looking pretty gray and dreary out there. But maybe, potentially, Jerry Martz has good news for us, but I highly doubt it.
I was hoping you would end on a favorable note, maybe, right?
Well, you can take care of that.
Hope springs eternal, right? And spring is the operative word there. That arrives on Monday. And when you see the forecast starting on Monday through the rest of the week, it's spectacular.
Okay, good.
Getting there tomorrow and Sunday, a bit of a challenge. So a little bit of a challenge. The cold weather settling in. It was 50s this morning. I managed to get out and walk the dogs like a 15-minute window. It was still long pants and a windbreaker weather, but it was fine. Temperatures dropped like a rock this afternoon, and that temperature slides continuing through tomorrow morning. So if you're out and about, an extra layer this evening and probably for tomorrow, but after that, improvement.
Welcome to Columbus to all the visitors.
Right.
We are doing our best. Hey, you might need the sunglasses tomorrow, but as we're looking at the opportunity for improvement, it's going to really wait until we get into Sunday. That's when we're going to start to see more sunshine and temperatures moderating, and that's not the case tonight or tomorrow. We are watching the evening wind chills in the 20s, some clearing and some cold tonight, back down to the mid-20s, wind chills in the teens tomorrow morning, and we're tracking some snow showers and staying uncomfortably windy on Saturday. So we'll get you there hour by hour. Let's take a quick look back before we move ahead. And you notice a couple of thin spots in the overcast, but certainly no blue sky, no sunshine to finish off the day today. And that cold air just came rushing in, and the clouds not really allowing any sun to help warm things up. In fact, right now we're 36 degrees. Remember, started off the day in the low 50s, and that wind chill factored in is in the mid-20s. So if you're looking outside, thinking you need the extra jacket or the layer, probably just do that, as you'll be more comfortable this evening with that west wind over 20 miles an hour. Now, going hour by hour through this evening, notice a couple of things. We see some breaks in the overcast. That's fine. Temperatures right around the freezing mark. Will continue to slide downward on the thermometers across the region by tomorrow morning, and we'll keep the winds as well. So your forecast for tomorrow in 3 buckets: 26 and cold tomorrow with a little sun. Midday, some snow showers and right around freezing, and not doing much better. We'll lose the snow showers, but also stay in the low 30s to round out the day. So let's go hour by hour, town by town for tomorrow. Starting 6 a.m., carrying that brisk west wind and mainly clear skies for a moment. That lasts through about mid-morning. Here's that line of snow showers, kind of a second cold front, a reinforcing shot of cold air. Temperatures behind that are going to struggle right around the freezing mark by 1 p.m. in Columbus, and then everybody kind of settling into the 25 to 30 degree range for the second half of the day. Now let's get to Sunday. Sunday morning, a few clouds lingering around, but as we go through the middle part of the day in the afternoon, we're going to see a lot more in the way of sunshine, but still going to be chilly. Only upper 30s on Sunday, which is about 15 degrees below where temperatures should be this time of the year. But as we would expect, first day of spring is on Monday, and we're going to get a nice push of spring-like weather back in for Monday. Not much in the way of cloud cover, no rain, no snow on Monday. We'll see the southerly winds picking up, boosting temperatures in the upper 40s, and that is the beginning of a week-long warm-up. But we're going to have to wait till Monday to get there. 37 tomorrow, that's it. We'll see a couple of snowflakes. 38 on Sunday with more sun. Spring arrives on Monday, and on cue, so do the warmer temperatures. Tuesday, 55, Wednesday, 57, 60s on Thursday and a Friday. Carry a chance of a shower or a thunder shower late next week. And even the cooler weather next weekend still isn't bad. I'll take 57 and 58 over 37 and 38 any day of the week.